Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to recover Snap streak on Snapchat. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. And here you can now tap on settings option at the top right corner of the screen. You can just simply scroll down and here you can see the option help center. Tap on it and after a few seconds of loading you can just simply see the first option, that is I lost my snap streak. Tap on it and here you can just simply scroll down and here you can see the blue option, that is fill in this form. Tap on this form and here you can just simply enter the details and submit your request, and after this the Snapchat team is contact you and your Snapchat streak is recovered or restored. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.